Welcome to the EAM Library, the premier hub for enterprise asset management master data standards, best practices, analysis, and training. Organizations face considerable challenges in managing their physical assets. Issues such as inconsistent data, poor reporting, and operational inefficiencies frequently occur. These problems can escalate costs, create reliability issues, and negatively affect performance. The EAM Library provides solutions to these challenges with comprehensive and industry-proven resources. The EAM Library is divided into 4 distinct modules. CMMS Codes helps organizations create a robust and actionable master data foundation. It encompasses ISO-compliant failure codes, classification systems, preventive maintenance registries, naming conventions, and work MRO coding structures, which are the backbone of the EAM software. Next is the EAM Playbook. Following ISO 55000 guidelines, this extensive standard operating procedure for asset management outlines best practices, processes, and procedures recognized across the industry. It serves as a strategic roadmap for organizations striving to manage their assets both effectively and efficiently. It will help you establish and refine asset management practices. Next is the EAM Maturity Assessment. This tool is used to self-assess maintenance and MRO supply chain operations. By comparing your practices against industry standards, you can create improvement plans, score your performance, and monitor progress. EAM University is the educational hub where organizations learn best practices for enterprise asset management. It offers a comprehensive, robust, continuously expanding curriculum, including self-paced interactive e-learning modules. These essential resources help in mastering and implementing industry-proven standards. Let's take a closer look at each module, starting with CMMS Codes. CMMS Codes offers an ISO-compliant master data framework organizations can use to establish robust and comprehensive master data. This framework encompasses over 40 best practice codes specifically tailored for maintenance and MRO operations. A vast library of over 79,000 problem failure codes spanning over 1,300 asset categories. Standardized naming conventions and taxonomies for consistency. Now modifier dictionaries to ensure precise terminology. Preventive maintenance checklists to boost reliability for over 500 standard asset classes. CMMS codes are divided into distinct functions: asset management, work management, MRO materials management, and procurement. Each function features unique coding structures, conventions, and detailed explanations of its purposes and intentions. For instance, consider the problem and failure codes associated with a heat exchanger asset class. Problem codes pinpoint the initial issue, whereas failure codes identify what malfunctioned and the reason behind it. These codes enable your system to generate actionable data for thorough failure analysis and reporting. CMMS codes include transactional coding for work orders, purchase orders, and material movement. In work management, you'll encounter work order codes, such as work order delay codes, that technicians use to flag preventable delays in scheduled tasks. Each set of codes can be effortlessly downloaded and customized to streamline the implementation process. CMMS codes are continuously updated, ensuring members can access the latest standards. With CMMS codes, organizations can maintain consistent naming conventions and structures throughout the organization. Standardize asset naming conventions and descriptive details. Generate detailed and insightful KPIs and reports. CMMS codes help create the master data foundation for informed asset management business decisions. The EAM Playbook is a comprehensive guide for achieving asset management goals and is based on ISO 55000 standards. The playbook will help you create a detailed asset management strategy for your organization to implement. The first thing you'll notice is the playbook is organized by key business functions: executive leadership, work management, materials management, and procurement. Asset management always begins at the highest level, so let's dig into executive leadership first. In this section, you'll start with the strategic asset management plan. Creating this type of plan helps you align asset performance with business objectives. It will create a foundation to get the entire organization on board. As we move along, keep in mind that every document you see is downloadable and customizable. Having this kind of documentation will provide useful insights and will help you save precious creation time. A key part of the plan is the policy, which defines the high-level goals and approach driven by upper management. Next are the objectives, which are SMART goals that you can track using key performance indicators. As the strategy gets more detailed, you'll begin to involve other departments to develop timelines, define roles, determine how work gets done while evaluating risks and opportunities. Once leadership has made the strategy decisions, let's look at how different departments can use the playbook to do their part. Take work management, for example. One key area is the people side. Here you'll find roles and responsibilities that you can use and adapt them to fit your needs. When you dig into practices, you'll find flowcharts, which are Visio diagrams you can download and customize. If we go to a process like weekly scheduling, you'll get detailed insights on how to develop one and how it fits into the larger picture. We also include sample documents to help guide you as you create your own. Let's jump over to materials management. This area is set up like work management, but has its own unique practices, policies, and procedures. It will help you understand storage facilities, equipment, and how to run your storerooms effectively. With so many moving parts, it's important to implement reporting that helps you make good decisions. You'll find that information here as well. We know that organizations all come in at different levels of experience and maturity, so the appendices are a great place to find out where you're at and move forward from there. As you can see, the EAM playbook has everything you need to reach your goals faster. Let's explore the EAM Maturity Assessment. This robust tool empowers organizations to scrutinize their maintenance and MRO supply chain operations by comparing them against 439 industry best practices and 25 operational segments, offering a comprehensive analysis of their operations. It is a holistic approach to identifying performance gaps, developing improvement strategies, and tracking progress. The EAM Maturity Assessment is categorized into essential functional areas: work management, materials management, and procurement. Each function can be evaluated separately, allowing organizations to perform customized assessments. Users can conduct evaluations, rate their operations, and monitor performance over time, making it especially advantageous for those measuring their adherence to industry standards. Each assessment area is subdivided into specific categories. The platform also provides the functionality to note critical items and add notes. Results can be exported to an Excel spreadsheet or CSV file. The graphs are a great way to monitor overall progress. The ability to track and compare assessments over time helps you maintain a clear, data-driven roadmap to enhanced performance. The EAM Maturity Assessment keeps you focused on your goals and helps you achieve them. EAM Library membership also unlocks access to EAM University's expertly designed e-learning courses, helping your team enhance their skills, optimize CMMS usage, and implement industry best practices. These self-paced online courses cover critical areas of enterprise asset management, including asset management principles, strategy development, CMMS coding, work planning, scheduling, and the MRO supply chain. Whether your team is just beginning or is comprised of seasoned professionals, these courses provide valuable insights and actionable knowledge. Team members can learn at their own pace, earning digital badges as they complete courses, and will gain practical skills that can be used right away in their day-to-day work. Additionally, EAM University offers EAM Professional Certification, a learning path that validates expertise and positions team members as leaders in asset management. EAM University is the premier destination for organizations seeking to master best practices in enterprise asset management. Thanks for taking a look at the EAM Library. Visit eamlibrary.com/join to get started.